Now I am going to tell you how to register Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan 2020-21. Registration for VVM, India's first mega science. Now basically this letter is searching for the talent in science. Okay, so you should know something about the registration. First of all, you should know this is junior and senior class 6 to 12 and marks 100, question 100, 60 minutes, and this is the pattern of paper, syllabus of paper, and you can see easily. You can take a screenshot of this page. Okay, and you remember this website bvm.org.in, and how to register on the website I will explain you. You can register student, as you can register as an individual, and there are two mode, online and offline, and we will do online mode. Okay, and there is a registration charges, registration fee 100 rupees. You have to pay 100 rupees for this registration, and if you will be selected in future, then you will go get more than this. Okay, after this later I will tell you how to register on this portal, and this is the letter. Now I am going to tell you how to register on the website. First you go and type bvm.org.in registration 2020. Then now it is opening, and after that you can click here to register Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. Now you can see easily on the site, and when you click this given link, then you can click on Chrome, and after that this portal will be open like this. Wait, there is a registration for the school, for the institution, and principal, teachers, and for the students. So as a students, you have to register. Now you can see the student register, means student can register individually. You are not required to register through the school. Now when you click on student register, the link will be opening now, and now that time you will see the student's full name. Here you can enter your name. For example, my name is Hemant, then I will write here Hemant, and there is a student's date of birth. You can put on name first. After that you can write, you can choose your date of birth from the calendar. For example, 2 February 2020 my date of birth, and I selected male or female. So now I am male, that's why I have selected male here. And after that you can click, this is the look, this is the process: student detail, login detail, region, school details, contact details. Then you will get OTP, and after that you can choose term and condition policies, and then you will be able to register on this portal. Okay, you will follow this sequence for registration. Now I am going to complete the second process: create your password. For example, whatever you want you can create, but you should follow the password rule. For example, I am writing ram at the rate 1234. So you can write any password which is easy to remember, and your password should follow the password rules. Okay, you should write again the same password. for confirmation the password, you have to write password 2 times, so that it will be counter checked. And after completing the 2 boxes, you can click on the next step. Okay, then when you click on the next step, then it will be open the next page. In the next page you have fill the all the detail of region. Okay, now we are talking about region. The here you will find the state. Now our state is Uttarakhand, then we will choose the Uttarakhand. Okay, and after that you will select the district. District is Almora, so you will select the district Almora. After that you have to select city. Now city is a Ranikhet, so then you will click on Ranikhet. This region is completed. Now you have to click on the next step. Now this page is completed, and after clicking the next step you will find the next page, that is school details. And school details you have to write all the things. So first you write the CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education. You click here and then you select category. In the category you have to select Kendriya Vidyalaya. Okay, we will click on the Kendriya Vidyalaya, and then you will write current school name. So our current school name is Kendriya Vidyalaya Ranikhet. So you can write in short KV Ranikhet. Otherwise you can also write Kendriya Vidyalaya Ranikhet. And not required to address the school name, and enter school address without special school you can write a current school address after completion of. For example, I have written Ranikhet Almora, and after that you will choose the your grade, class 6 7 8 whatever you want. And after that exam categories, this is a junior group. And now you can click on next step. When you click on the next step, then you will find the contact details. In contact details there are following things: parents, guardian, full name. You have to write your father's name. If there is no father, then you can write your mother's. If parents is not there, you can write your guardian name. And phone number, you can write phone numbers and email ID. And phone number and email ID can write where is optional, you not required to write, but where is star marking you have to write all the details. Now this is the, you can look here, parents, guardian, full name, there is a star marking, you have to fill this area. For example, my father's name is Sonu, then I will write the my father's name. After that I will write the mobile number. Okay, now you have seen below the mobile number your OTP will be sent to this number only. Whatever you write the number, that number should be correct. If number is not correct, then you will not get OTP. ठीक है, one time password you will not get. So you have to write correct number here. When you will write the correct number, then when you submit the final, then you will get the OTP, and that OTP is required for generate for completion of your registration. And now here parents, guardian, now contact, for example contact details are completed. Then you click on the terms and condition. There you will find all the things, and you have choose the declaration. आप जो declaration होता है you have choose there. When you choose, then that time your password and ID will be generated automatically, and after that you will pay 100 rupees for the registration. Understood? And it means your registration has been completed. After that you can download this app from the Play Store also. This was the process how to register yourself in this portal. Thank you very much.